In last video, we have discussed about decibel scale, sound power level, sound intensity level, that is SIL, sound pressure level, that is SPL. In this video, we are going to discuss the relation between sound power level and sound intensity level. Also, we are going to discuss the relation between sound pressure level and sound intensity level. We know the sound intensity can be calculated by the ratio of sound power to area. Sound source emits sound in all directions, which gives us a spherical wave. So, area of spherical wave we have to consider. So, S is equal to 4 pi r square. So, this equation becomes I is equal to sound power divided by 4 pi r square. This r is nothing but the radius at which we are going to measure the sound from the sound source. So this r here we are going to consider as a radius of a spherical wave. So this sound intensity is inversely proportional to the square of r. That's why this equation is called as inverse square law. Now, as we know from this equation, W is equal to intensity of sound into area, and the sound power level we can calculate by 10 log to the base 10 of a ratio of sound power to the reference sound power. So this we put this value here. So 10 log to the base 10, this W, that is power, is equal to intensity of sound into area. So this intensity of sound into area to the reference intensity of sound to the reference area. So we can have this 10 log to the base 10 I, that is intensity of sound, to reference intensity of sound, plus 10 log to the base 10 S, that is area, to the reference area. So this value is nothing but sound intensity level, and here this S reference that we have to consider is 1 meter square. So when we put this 1 meter square, the remaining is 10 log to the base 10 of S. So this sound power level is equal to sound intensity level plus 10 times log of S, where this S is nothing but 4 pi r square, and r we have to consider as a distance from source of sound. So from this equation we can get LW if we have Li, that is sound intensity level, and distance from the source of sound. Now we are going to discuss sound intensity level and sound pressure level relationship, that is relationship of SIL and SPL. We know I, that is sound intensity, can be calculated by P square divided by rho V. As we have discussed in last video, P is nothing but root mean square pressure and rho V is nothing but characteristic impedance of the medium. So also we know the sound intensity can be calculated as 10 log to the base 10 of I to I reference. So when we put these values here, we will get 10 log to the base 10. Instead of this I, we will put I is equal to P square divided by rho V. So P square, that is root mean square pressure, square divided by rho V into here, the denominator term will be as it is. So we will do little modification here. So 10 log to the base 10, in first bracket we will consider P square divided by P root mean square reference value, and in another bracket we will take P root mean square reference value divided by this characteristic impedance into I reference value. So this will become 10 log to the base 10 of P square divided by P reference square plus 10 log to the base 10, and here it is P RMS reference square divided by characteristic impedance into I reference. We know this, the value of this, as this P RMS reference is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Newton per meter square. This characteristic impedance is nothing but 415 kg per meter square second, and I reference is nothing but 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So we put these values here. So this 10 log to the base 10, here it is square of 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 415 into 10 raised to minus 12. So this becomes 10 times log of this value to this ratio 400 divided by 415. So this value becomes minus 0.16. So here when we put this in this equation, Li is equal to, so 10 log to the base 10 P square divided by P square reference, this is nothing but SPL, that is sound pressure level. So this is sound pressure level, and instead of this second term we will have just 0.16. So this is how sound pressure level and sound intensity level are related.